You're not going to believe what I found. A faceless YouTube channel that earns over $103,000 a month, posting videos with zero filming, zero speaking, and nearly 100% AI. No human face, no on-camera work, just pure automation. These videos look simple, almost too simple, but they rack up tens of millions of views monthly. And the craziest part? The entire system is clonable. Today, I'm going to reverse engineer exactly how they did it. From niche to visuals, from tools to monetization, we're replicating it step by step. If you've ever dreamed of making YouTube money without being on camera or burning out editing, you're in the right place. This is YouTube automation at its finest. Let's break down this $103,000 per month system and build yours. Let's get one thing straight. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a goldmine. And with automation and AI, it's now easier than ever to grab a piece of it, even if you've never made a video before. This channel I found, it's proof. No face, no talking, no filming. Just smart systems, the right tools, and consistency. People are ditching 9-to-5 jobs, replacing their income just by uploading these types of videos. And unlike dropshipping or affiliate spam, this actually builds a real digital asset. A channel that pays you monthly, while you sleep. So yeah, it's worth copying. Let's go deeper. This $103,000 a month channel didn't go random. They picked a niche with 3 key traits. 1. Evergreen content. 2. Viral potential. 3. Monetization flexibility. Their niche? Satisfying animations with AI twists. Things like loops, visual illusions, and surreal AI imagery. It hooks viewers instantly, and it's endlessly scrollable. No language barriers, no storylines, just dopamine-packed content. Now, if you're copying this method, you don't have to pick the exact same niche. Other great options include AI-generated horror stories, cartoon history explainers, relaxing nature loops, futuristic concept videos. As long as it loops well, captures curiosity, and is easy to produce, it's fair game. Use tools like vidIQ to find keywords with low competition and high volume. Check what's trending, but put your own AI spin on it. And remember, you're building a binge-worthy brand, not just a single viral video. Choose once. Go deep. The money follows attention, and in the faceless niche, attention starts with your niche. Once your niche is locked, it's time to build your channel's identity. Step 1. Channel branding. Use Leonardo AI to generate a clean, scroll-stopping logo and banner. Think bold, simple, and on theme. Use ChatGPT to write a keyword-optimized description loaded with hooks like weirdly satisfying, AI visuals, or addictive loops. Step 2. Tool stack. You'll need CapCut or Premiere for editing, Leonardo AI, or Midjourney for image prompts, ChatGPT and Claude for script tweaks or captions, 11 Labs or PlayHT for voiceovers. Optional, depending on your niche. Set up a system folder. One for prompts, one for assets, one for templates. Automation is key here. The more templated your workflow, the faster you scale. Step 3. Content formula. This channel used a 30-second format, a visual hook, some ambient sound or light narration, and a seamless loop. No voice? No problem. Let the visuals do the talking. Every upload should feel familiar but fresh. Use CapCut's trending transitions, glitch cuts, or dynamic text. Test, refine, repeat. With the right setup, one person can produce 3 to 5 videos a day with zero burnout. Now, if you're brand new, here's the setup I'd use if I was starting from zero. First, use Leonardo AI or DALL-E to generate stunning abstract images in your niche. Then head over to CapCut Web. It's free, browser-based, and beginner-friendly. Drag and drop your images, add zoom, pan effects, and overlay chill background music from YouTube Studio. For text-based content, use ChatGPT to generate short narration or facts. Don't overthink it. Something like, this AI was trained on 3 billion images. Here's what it created. Add it as an overlay or use text-to-speech with 11 Labs. Need inspiration? Search TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts with your niche keywords. If you see a video that has 10 million views with no face or voice, that's a copyable format. Your first goal isn't perfection, it's volume. Aim for 20 videos your first month. Don't worry if they flop. Every upload is data, and the algorithm rewards consistency, not just virality. This model is built for beginners, because you don't need talent. You need process. Let's build your first video, step by step. Step 1. Head to Leonardo AI and type a prompt like cyberpunk cat typing on neon keyboard. Download 3 to 5 related images. Step 2. Open CapCut. Create a vertical 1080 by 1920 project. Import your images and stack them in a smooth visual sequence. Step 3. Add transitions. Zoom in slowly. Use slight camera shake or parallax if possible. Add an ambient track. Royalty-free music works. Use AI music tools if you want something unique. Optional. Use ChatGPT to generate one line of text. Something mysterious or hypnotic like, "Is this real?" Or "Did I dream it?" Overlay that text. Choose bold font, high contrast. If you're using voice, paste that line into 11 Labs and generate a 3-second clip. Drag and drop. Sync it up. Now, export. Upload to your test channel. Repeat that same formula 3 more times, changing only the prompt and visuals.
What if your memory is just a story the machine told first?
Within 1 week, you'll have a mini content library. From here, it's all iteration. Your 5th video will be better than your first. Uploading isn't just post and pray. You need to optimize every time. Use 3 to 5 hashtags like AI video, faceless YouTube, oddly satisfying. Pick a thumbnail that stops the scroll. Again, Leonardo. AI works wonders here. Schedule your uploads consistently, daily or every other day. Don't just upload and forget. Treat every video like a test. Small tweaks equals big results. But don't stop there. Add affiliate links to gear, digital products selling digital assets or merch, bonus points. YouTube pays, but you build the business. Here's the truth. Most people will watch this and never start. But the few who do, they'll build something real, even life-changing. You're not too late. You're right on time. AI just leveled the playing field. You just need action. Take what I shared. Build one video, then another. Every upload gets better. Every click is proof it works. This $103,000 a month channel? They started from zero too. Now they print views and income on autopilot. And now, so can you. If this breakdown helped, smash the like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. I've got more channel teardowns, tools, and step-by-step builds coming every week. Check the description for free templates, AI tools, and starter packs. This is YouTube automation, made simple. I'll see you in the next one.